So we're given cosine alpha as a decimal and cosine beta as a decimal, and both angles' terminal rays are in quadrant 4. So the first one, we want the cosine of alpha plus beta. So let's use the sum formula for cosine. That's going to be cosine of the first angle, cosine of the second angle. Those match, so this is going to be a minus. Sine of the first angle, sine of the second angle. So if I sub in what I know cosine alpha is 0.083, and I know cosine beta is 0.921 minus, now I need sine alpha. Well, if I've got cosine alpha as a decimal, I'm going to use the fundamental identity to find that. That, in fact, is sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha equal 1. So sine squared alpha equals 1 minus, I'm moving that over, cosine squared alpha, and that would be 0.083 squared. And now we're going to square root both sides. We have to remember to plus minus when we square root both sides. And then I'm going to determine which I need, and it says I'm in quadrant 4. Well, in quadrant 4, sign values are negative, so I need the negative of this. So when I put this answer in, it's going to be negative. Now what I need to do, that one kind of got covered up by the square root, but I need to put this in my calculator, then the square root of 1 minus 0.083 squared. And it looks like when I do that, sine alpha, I'm going to round it, I'm going to carry it to 5 places, is about 0.99655. Now I'm going to do the same thing for sine beta. So sine beta is going to be plus or minus the square root of 1 minus, but I need beta in here, cosine beta, so that's going to be 0.921 squared. And then I can put that in the calculator, and it looks like that's going to be 0.38956, except again I want the negative because I'm in quadrant 4. So we put those values in the formula, negative 99655, multiply that by negative 0.38956, and then I just put all of that in the calculator, and I'm going to carry it to 4 decimal places, and so it looks like this is going to be approximately negative 0.3118. Now I'm going to do the difference, cosine alpha minus beta. The only thing different in the formula is this is going to be a plus for this one. So that would make this a plus. So then I just get my calculator and I compute the product of these two plus the product of those two. And it looks like that one is 0.4647.